Most people are familiar with the phrase mirror signal manoeuvre, and the concept of mirror signal manoeuvre, or MSM, is fundamental to safe driving. But how people use this MSM routine is not always safe. MSM is drummed into us when we learn to drive, and because it's the main safety routine, people feel as though they've got to use it all the time. But it's sticking to this MSM routine so rigidly which actually can cause the dangers. I'm not saying MSM shouldn't be used, but people need to be a lot more flexible when following this process, and this leads me nice onto my first gripe. When using MSM, people think that it has to be done in that order. Mirrors first, then signal, then the manoeuvre. But it's not like that. It needs to be much more flexible, and what we do is totally situational. So when I'm using this left turn, for example, what I need to do, because there are a couple of side roads, is check, position, and slow down a fair bit first until I'm past the side entrances, and then I'll check again and put the signal on. What a lot of people will do in that scenario is literally signal before one of those side roads, maybe both of them, and then you've got the danger of cars pulling out, or if they don't do that, they feel as though they can't slow down until they've put the signal on. So at this point where I've stopped just past that junction, they'll still be doing the same speed limit as they were 100 yards up the road, and then all the braking is done in this short period. It's not just signalling and braking that's affected by people religiously following MSM. Position is also another thing. Look at this scenario, I'm turning right, but there's a couple of entrances. People refuse to get into this correct position because they haven't signalled, and that's wrong. Already these cars around me know exactly what I'm doing, and now I'll check again and put my signal on. Positioning is often as good as a signal, if not better. So we've just had a look at positioning. Now positioning is a part of the manoeuvre phase of mirror signal manoeuvre. Some of you may very well have heard of PSL. Now what PSL is the manoeuvre phase broken down into 3 further sections. But if you follow this to the letter, when should the look happen? Well, MSPSL, the look is right at the end. And if people do follow this to the letter, that's why they tend to arrive and then look. Now I've already done a video on this. I'll put a link up in the top corner of the screen so you can have a look at it. But when should that look really happen? Well, it really should be look, mirror, look, signal, look, position. You get what I'm talking about. Mirrors are another thing that's affected by the routine MSMers, as we can call them. The mirrors are only the first part of the phase that they can blast through without actually taking any attention of actually what is following or who is following. When I sit in the back and observe driving instructors, I often hear my pet hate of a question, which is, which mirrors do we check? For me, all that does is again facilitate this routine. It doesn't get the pupil to actually see who's behind, how close they are, and how it's going to affect what they are doing. Does your instructor do that? Or are you an instructor who consistently asks that question? What's your thoughts now if that's the case? How useful is MSM and how safe is MSM when there's little or no planning? Just give you an example. What if I arrive behind this car now and then want to suddenly lane change now? Mirror signal manoeuvre? You all know what I'm getting at, and we've all seen it many, many times, that people just continue with their manoeuvre because they're applying MSM and it must be safe. Well, obviously not. So what should happen in that simple scenario I've just set? Well, you should check your mirrors and see that it's not safe and abandon any idea of doing anything else. Just literally stop behind. People don't do that because they religiously follow MSM. MSM can turn people into robots, and I do see evidence of this every single time that I do go out in the car. Even the people who use the phrase, "but I signalled." What does that really show us? They think as long as they're following a part of this routine, they're safe. So who is responsible for this mess? Well, personally, I blame driving instructors not being a strong enough of character. What I mean by this is we're pressured all the time to get people through tests as quickly as we possibly can. And then things are missed out. The basic MSM is explained, but we don't have time to actually go into more detail to give these pupils an idea of exactly what it means and how it should be applied. I rarely mention MSM to my pupils. That might be a surprise to some people, but I tend to take a different route and not so systematic. I hope that's a help for everyone. Take care. I'll see you all soon.